How often should you be mailing your list? This is the type of question that pops up all the time when it comes to email marketing. The fact is there are many different marketers that use many different frequencies of mailing. What works for one marketer might not necessarily work for another. The reason is because each list is unique. Each list is a market on its own. Each list responds to different things. Your list will respond differently to my list, and it's also different to everybody else's list, so it's difficult to say a certain frequency of mailing works better than something else. However, there is one thing that is always consistent throughout all lists: the more frequently you email your list, the more sales you will end up making, the more unsubscribes you will get, the lower your open rates will be, and the lower your click-through rates will be. On the other hand, the less frequently you email your list, the higher your conversion rates will be, the fewer unsubscribes you will get, the higher your open rates will be, and the higher your click-through rates will be. Now you might be thinking it's generally a better idea to mail less frequently if open rates and response rates are higher, but at the end of the day you still need to make sales, and generally speaking the more you email your list, the more sales you're going to make. That doesn't mean you always send them sales emails. Emailing them frequently means you email them with a combination of content emails, free gift emails, feedback emails, and sales emails. Some marketers mail their list every day, others 2 to 3 times per week, even more will mail their list even less than that. The bottom line is you need to test different frequencies with your own list and see what works the best for you. Those marketers who email every day are probably making more sales overall, but they're getting more unsubscribes. Now if you're getting 50-100 plus subscribers per day, you can afford to lose 20 people, for example, through unsubscribes when you email them daily. But if you only get about 10 to 20 subscribers per day, you probably can't afford to email your list daily and risk getting 10 unsubscribes per day. It all depends on how much traffic you're driving on a daily basis, how many subscribers you're getting, and how effective your emails are. Another thing to keep in mind is you don't have to just stick with the same frequency forever. If you're just starting out and your list is growing slowly, maybe you can start off by emailing 1 to 2 times per week. Then as you grow your list faster, then you can increase the frequency of emails. If you've got a few products available, perhaps you can mail more frequently to get some sales coming in. But you need to keep in mind that you will get unsubscribes regardless of how often you email your list. The question is, can you replace those subscribers consistently? Email marketing isn't just about sending emails to your list, it's also about continuing to build your list on a daily basis. You don't just build a list of 5,000 and stop. You keep building your list every single day, and you continue to test what works with your growing list.